Alright guys, so I got the GoPro on for round 2 here of our world's cheapest survival knife. I say world's cheapest because normally this is $9.99 and I got this for $6.99, but even at the $9.99 price tag, I don't think I've ever seen in my entire life a cheaper price for this style of survival knife. This is the hollow handled survival kit knife, so you can pack the handle with all your survival goodies and you're good to go. So if you haven't seen the first video, it took a little bit of a use, I guess. I don't really want to call it abuse, the first video, because that's normal use. But now we're going to continue with batoning. Now my prediction is it's going to break. The question is how it's going to break and how much batoning can I do before it breaks. It's either, in my opinion, going to break at the screw, or the blade itself is going to break. So the question is this screw attachment stronger than the cheap steel, or is the cheap steel going to hold out before the screw breaks? We're going to find out. So here we go. I got my baton, got my chunk of wood. All right, actually leave that just like that. I'm going to start off a little bit easier to begin with here. All right, so it's biting in now. Okay, made one full pass. Put this wood off to the side. It's still nice and strong. It's surprising. All right, let's cut this in half. Oh, my baton broke. Might have to go find another baton. Man, I'll tell you, all that vibration is going right into the handle. That is super uncomfortable. And, of course, it's dull. So it's taking way more effort than it should. Uh-oh. All right. So not the best baton there. But that's a good sign. It's a good sign that the knife has lasted longer than my baton. All right, so I'm gonna have to find something a little bit harder. I'll be back. All right, well, I found a better baton, so we're just gonna continue on here. All right, jeez, wasn't expecting that to give. All right, well, let's do that a little. Nothing. Absolutely no play. That is pretty surprising. All right, continue on. All right, so the tip of my baton broke off. Part of the, I don't think it's probably just this wood itself. Because it's dull, I have to kind of hit this side of it, but I'm hitting the obviously sharpened spine here as well, which doesn't help, which is obviously cutting into the baton. Okay, that's good. Uh-oh, that felt, oh yeah, just starting to wiggle now. So the screw area is loosening up a little bit. Try that again. Again, it wants to rotate. Even just trying to get this started, my hand wants to rotate in that round handle. Alright, I can feel it's a little loose. It's not crazy or anything, but it is definitely moving around. And of course it's dull as well. Alright, let's move back to this big piece here. You can probably hear this. I'm quiet. Alright. Let's GoPro up just a little bit. Sorry if you're pointing at the ground there. There goes the baton. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I got another one here. So let's keep on going. Alright. Good Lord. Let me tell you, it's not the super knife quality. It's just the bad wood. I have all this cut wood and it's all obviously dried out and rotten in some spots. So yeah, let's use the other piece here. Definitely not as comfortable, but hopefully better. This is such a chore because the edge is so dull. Oops, there we go. All right. Ooh, I can hear, I think the other part of the screw maybe came off. Why is, I cannot unscrew the back here. What's the back have to do with anything? Oh man, that's weird. I can hear stuff rattling in there. You hear it, right? I don't know why the back is locked on there. All right, I'm gonna have to get some pliers, but before I do that, let's continue a little more batoning. All right. All right. You can hear the actual blade's very loose. And again, something broke off on the inside, but I just cannot even really muscle in this thing. I can't get that loose. So let's finish this piece of wood, and we're going to go investigate and see what's going on here. All right, last one. Mostly because I can't comfortably hold this baton anymore. All right. Yeah, decent little pile of wood there. Their cheap survival knife, right? All right, I'll be back. Got to investigate what's going on here.